How to buy an Apple gift card online. So, let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your web browser. Whether it's a gift for someone or for yourself, buying an Apple gift card online is very easy. Once you're inside the browser, you have to simply search for Buy Apple Gift Card in the search bar, and then simply tap the official Apple website to ensure safe purchase. Inside, you scroll down and then select where you would like to send it, and after that, choose a design you like. When you are done with choosing a design, you can simply choose the amount. Now after that, you have to simply select who it's for and add a personal message if you want. Now after that, scroll down and then tap on Add to Bag. Now simply select Checkout and then sign in with your Apple ID or continue as a guest. Select your payment method and then review your order details carefully. After that, simply tap on Complete Purchase. Your Apple gift card will now be ready to use or send. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.